Strap in, car enthusiasts. We're kicking off a high-energy countdown dedicated to the best car batteries. If you want reliability, longer life, and quick starts, this list has you covered. From budget performers to premium powerhouses, we're breaking down what makes each one stand out. Get ready for real-world specs, sneak peek performance, and the reasons drivers choose these cells over the rest. Today, I'm going to be going over the best car batteries that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the BCI Group 48 car battery. This is a practical, all-round automotive power source designed for a wide range of passenger cars and light trucks that rely on a straightforward, dependable 12-volt supply. Group 48 size is one of the most common footprints on the road, balancing capacity and physical fit for many mid-size vehicles. The battery's internal construction uses heavy-duty lead calcium alloy grids that resist corrosion and minimize water loss, helping extend service life with less watering or maintenance. It is sealed and maintenance-free in normal driving conditions, with vents that control gas pressure while also providing a robust barrier against leakage in the event of a jolt or a minor collision. Power is delivered in a balanced way. The battery provides consistent cold cranking amps for reliable starts in a mixture of cold and warm weather. The exact CCA rating depends on the model, but the Group 48 lineage is known for punchy starting power that gets you moving quickly, even after sitting for a while. Reserve capacity rating tells you how long the car can run if the alternator fails. This model line tends to offer reserve capacity that supports lights, radio, and essential electronics without draining the battery too quickly. The case is rugged, with reinforced corners to cope with road vibration and the occasional jolt from potholes or gravel roads. In daily use, drivers appreciate the maintenance-free promise. You can install and forget for years, as long as the charging system and alternator remain healthy. The terminals are designed for reliable clamping and corrosion resistance, and the top post configuration is common, making replacement straightforward for a broad swath of vehicles. The BCI Group 48 car battery is also designed to cope with modern electrical demands, including infotainment systems, sensors, and starting aids, while maintaining regular performance during extended driving sessions. It tends to pair well with vehicles that require a no-nonsense, durable power source rather than a specialized battery with extra features. If you are replacing a battery with the same Group 48 footprint, you know you are buying something that has to work when you need it. Compared to the Mighty Max battery, MMH6 car battery, which I have included as number 4 on this list, the BCI Group 48 car battery offers ready-to-drive reliability and straightforward performance that appeals to drivers who want predictable starts and steady voltage over time. MMH6, by contrast, often targets a budget-friendly replacement with a slightly different footprint that can still deliver solid power in everyday use, but with a different emphasis on price versus longevity. Choice between them boils down to visibility of value and fitment in your engine bay. And both, at number 4, we have the Mighty Max battery, MMH6 car battery. This Mighty Max model sits in the Group H6 family, a tall, sturdy form that fits many mid-sized sedans and some SUVs where space is generous and the demand for steady cranking is high. The MMH6 line is known for its bold combination of capacity, reliability, and an approachable price point, making it a favorite for shoppers who want a dependable spare or replacement without chasing premium branding. Construction uses a robust grid architecture and a sealed case that helps prevent electrolyte leakage and reduces maintenance requirements in day-to-day driving. You can expect solid cold weather performance with ample current available to turn over engines in chilly mornings and a reserve capacity that supports long drives, fans, lights, and other accessories without risking a sudden drop in voltage. Frequent users note that the MMH6's terminal design accommodates common clamp sizes and provides good electrical contact even when roads get bumpy. Installation process is straightforward, often requiring only a simple disconnect and a straightforward bracket fit. In terms of durability, Mighty Max emphasizes a rugged exterior that tolerates vibration from rough pavement and the daily grind of parking lot hopping, a factor that matters in urban environments as well as rural drives. And considering warranties, this brand typically packages a reasonable coverage period that reflects its budget-friendly positioning, offering peace of mind without locking you into premium terms. The MMH6 is particularly appealing to buyers replacing an aging battery whose primary goal is dependable starts rather than advanced features. Compared to the Optima Red Top AGM battery, which I have included as number 3 on this list, the Mighty Max MMH6 presents a price-competitive alternative with strong everyday performance. While the Optima line leans more toward true AGM efficiency and vibration resistance with a premium feel, the result is a choice between established no-frills reliability, and a product designed to maximize performance in challenging conditions. At number 3, we have the Optima Redtop AGM battery. This iconic starting battery from Optima delivers the hallmark of modern truck and car power, an absorbed glass mat design that keeps electrolytes sealed and immobilized, which translates into spill resistance and a nearly maintenance-free life. Redtop AGM battery is engineered for high cranking amps, immediate power on demand, and excellent performance in vehicles with demanding electrical loads, from turbocharged engines to modern infotainment systems. Because the cells are fully sealed and recombining, vibration resistance is superb, which matters for off-road drives and rough roads where conventional flooded batteries might slosh and lose contact. The AGM construction also reduces internal resistance during starts, which means you get a quicker ignition and a more stable voltage spike when the engine turns over. Drivers appreciate the spill-proof design that allows mounting in a variety of orientations and under the hood with fewer worries about leaks. This model is frequently chosen for cold weather reliability. The dense internal grid and robust plate surface area help maintain strong cranking power as temperatures drop. Installation is straightforward for most vehicles that accept standard top-post terminals, but some models note side-post or dual-terminal variations, so checking fitment remains essential. As with many premium batteries, the Redtop AGM emphasizes longevity and stable performance across cycles of discharge and recharge. Compared to the Optima batteries, Redtop AGM battery, which I have included as number 2 on this list, the two entries share the same core technology and performance ethos. However, there may be minor variations in packaging, terminal layout, and the exact amp-hour rating that suits slightly different vehicle configurations. The bottom line is that if you want a starting battery that consistently delivers a strong initial burst and resists vibration, the Optima Redtop AGM battery is a versatile choice that tends to excel in cold starts and aggressive electrical demands. At number 2, we have the Optima Batteries Redtop AGM battery. This is the second appearance of Optima's renowned starting battery in Redtop form, and the distinction between it and the previous entry is mostly about fitment options and branding nuances rather than a dramatic leap in technology. The Redtop AGM battery remains a go-to solution for drivers who require reliable immediate power and a compact footprint that still packs high cranking amps. The AGM design means no spills, minimal maintenance, and resilience against jostling on uneven roads. Owners use this battery in a wide range of vehicles, from classic muscle cars to modern crossovers, and in marine or RV applications where a steady, heavy current is a constant need. One of the biggest selling points is the consistent voltage during engine cranking, which helps ignition timing stay stable during the critical moment of starting a loaded engine. The case is engineered to be tough under hood conditions, resisting heat and vibration, and the terminals are designed to deliver solid contact with standard automotive harnesses. Because it is part of the same Redtop family, the performance profile remains similar to the other Redtop offering on this list, and the warranties tend to align with Optima's premium positioning. Compared to the Astro AI Sate Jump Starter, which I have included as number 1 on this list, the Redtop AGM battery acts as a stationary power source in the vehicle rather than a portable power pack. Both are essential in their own right for reliability on the road, but you would choose specific use cases for each. In practice, you'll often see both elements working together. The battery keeps the car alive during startups, while a jump starter can rescue you when you are stranded with a dead battery and no help nearby. At number 1, we have the Astro Sate Jump Starter. This compact, high-current unit is a portable emergency power solution, designed to provide a boost when a car's own battery is depleted or unable to turn the starter over. Sate Jump Starter typically combines a high-discharge lithium or lead-acid battery module with intelligent safety features, including reverse polarity protection, spark-proof circuitry, and short-circuit protection, so you can safely connect clamps and generate a surge capable of turning over many engines. Beyond starting power, this device doubles as a portable power bank, with USB-A, USB-C, and sometimes DC outputs that let you charge phones, tablets, and other devices during roadside stops. Included LED flashlight, multiple charging ports, and a compact handle make it a practical companion for nighttime repairs or long trips. The design emphasizes quick use and portable convenience. You can keep it in the trunk or under a seat and pull it out in minutes, connect the clamps, and be back on the road with confidence. Performance-wise, jump starters like the Sate excel in short bursts of high current and can be recharged from vehicle outlets or wall adapters. Unit's internal circuitry manages the battery health by monitoring temperatures and voltage, helping prevent damage to the vehicle's electrical system. Compared to the BCI Group 48 car battery, which I have included as number 5 on this list, the Astro Sate Jump Starter is not a replacement for a dead battery, but a portable aid that provides starting power and additional charging options when you are away from a fully functional charging system. Its value lies in readiness and versatility. You get a rapid restart for your engine, a robust lighting option for emergencies, and a convenient power source for devices, all in a compact package that you can carry into any trunk or backseat. Combination of portability, safety features, and multiple outputs makes the SAIT Jump Starter a standout choice for drivers who want immediate confidence during roadside moments and a reliable backup tool for longer journeys.